Are you struggling to make a lasting change in your organization? Here are a couple of strategies that will help. Start by focusing on behavior. Identify 2 or 3 critical behaviors that need to change, behaviors that, if changed, will have a maximum impact on results. We call these vital behaviors. The good news is there are often just a couple of behaviors causing most of the mischief. On the flip side, there are often just a couple of vital behaviors that will ensure positive changes follow. For example, one company we worked with found that to meet demanding production schedules, employees were cutting corners, which jeopardized product quality. Instead of sending a memo or making threats, leaders helped employees adopt one vital behavior that helped them meet production schedules without compromising quality. What was that vital behavior? Simply this: if anyone saw a coworker cutting corners or compromising quality, they should respectfully confront that person. As people regularly and consistently took responsibility for holding these conversations, the company saw dramatic improvements in productivity and quality. Powerful change begins with finding vital behaviors. Now you may be thinking, it's one thing to identify vital behaviors, it's quite another thing to get people to do them. You can make the adoption of vital behaviors inevitable by leveraging 6 sources of influence. First, values. Tie the new behavior to what people care about. Second, skills. Teach others what to do and how to do it. Remove the barrier of inability. Third, support. Tap into the power of social pressure. Fourth, teamwork. Ensure that everyone involved provides information, helping hands, materials, and the resources required to succeed. Fifth, incentives. Make the best use of small but symbolic rewards. And lastly, environment. Structure the physical environment in a way that makes desired behaviors easy and wrong behaviors difficult. Focus on vital behaviors and harness the 6 sources of influence, and you'll see quick and sustainable change in your organization.